Hello friends, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm at Mannarkad visiting one of my friends. And this morning I've come out visiting nearby places. And the first location I've chosen is definitely a place all of you know. It's a beach formed in a river close to the Mannarkad town. I'm on the same beach which was formed last year soon after the flood. Hope you remember it. The place remains almost the same, not many differences found, but the water has receded badly. Still a lovely place to visit, calm, quiet and serene. So take a look around and enjoy. Guys, I've fallen in love with this place. I cannot leave it. It's so wonderful. There is no surprise why people love this place. It's unbelievably soothing. Hope you liked this video. If you did like it, do share it with your friends. And of course, hit the subscribe button and support me. Thank you for watching.